We don't know.
It just says imported rum. I would like a bit Diet Coke in it. Your order has been created.
You might have to order it separate. Gone downstairs and beat
Your
them.
order's been received. I'm just going to get a rum. An imported rum, that's all I'm getting.
I want to get a barbecue.
Oh, that's no good, John.
So we seem to be struggling with the app. For the first day.
Why will you go to the bar and just say, my wife's a numpty? What will Jack Daniels come under?
Whiskey.
I've put whiskey and it just says imported whiskey.
Well.
Will it be imported whiskey?
Aye, definitely. So it's just after 20 past 8, 8:22, and it's 19 degrees and we're sitting outside trying to order a drink. I think next time I'll go to the bar, it might be easier.
Oh, this is not good. He's probably going to be standing over there saying, got the English in again, they don't know. What happened there?
You can't order Jack Daniels here.
You cannot order Jack Daniels.
It's something else.
What are
Red
you getting?
Label or something, which is I think Johnny Walker's.
Whiskey, aye. Did you say you wanted Diet Coke with it?
Okay. It was like, honestly, it was like speaking to Manuel of Faulty Towers.
What am I getting then?
I don't even know where I'm getting. I didn't even know if we've ordered anything.
So do you think we've come to the wrong bar then?
Well, it says you get international brands here, but
Jack Daniels isn't one of them.
I don't think it is, no. But they said you can get them, but that might be the, you know, the beach bar. Look.
How would you drink that without Coke? Oh my God, John, can you try yours? You try yours?
I don't think I'll be getting up in the morning if I drank that like.
So you can use the app, and there's a selection of dishes that you can get, like certain meals.
And the
I think it was about 6 dishes or something you could choose from. There was beef, fish, can't remember.
Chicken.
Chicken was there. Or then there's a massive counter which we'll video later, where you can just go and help yourself. There's a massive salad bar, there's breads, there's there was fish soup or lentil soup.
And if you order it on the app, it'll fetch it to your table, cook the way you like it.
So this was the meals on the app. So you had your seafood, you had your ratatouille. Is it ratatouille?
Don't think I've had one too, yeah, I don't even know what it is.
So that's like chicken and lemon, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fish, salmon, turkey, I bet that's nice.
I might try that one night.
And then the beef. So
out of this world, like.
you can get this and then you can go and get your own chips and potato and vegetables, can't you?